Attention civilians. This is an alert issued by the Global Defense Organization. Stay calm and listen carefully. This is not a trial. We have received notice that the moon has mysteriously disappeared. The cause of this phenomenon is unknown and we are currently investigating the event. Do not panic. Stay indoors and follow the instructions of your local authorities. We advise you not to leave your house and avoid looking at the sky in search of the moon. The absence of the moon may lead some individuals to experience fear, panic attacks, and madness. Do not indulge in the search of the moon. This mysterious disappearance has caused the seas to run uncontrollably, with waves as high as 20 meters. Multiple tsunamis have been reported all over the world and major cities are at risk of being submerged. Most flights and travels through sea have been cancelled or delayed due to the dangerous conditions. The shift in gravitational levels and the increased darkness during the night may make the flights unstable or impossible. We advise you to remain indoors and avoid traveling through sea or air unless absolutely necessary. The absence of the moon has also caused a dangerous shift in gravitational levels on our planet. The reduced gravitational pull has changed the orbit Earth takes around the Sun, which could lead to catastrophic consequences. Due to the modified orbit, we may experience extreme temperatures, new seasons, and we might end up straying away from the Sun. If this happens, all life on Earth is at risk of extinction as we will get dangerously distant from the Sun, venturing into the cold void of space. Most satellites have crashed into Earth as a result of the imbalance in gravitational pulls. Due to this, communications through ordinary devices are impossible and the Internet is not currently accessible. Do not try to contact a loved one through phone as it will not work. Instead, keep your electronic devices as a source of light during the night as it will get considerably darker. The increased darkness during the night creates dangerous conditions. Multiple cars accidents have happened in the last few hours, resulting in traffic jams and blocked roads. Keep a source of light on you at all times and safeguard your loved ones. This phenomenon is unlike any other in history and we might experience apocalyptic consequences. We are currently investigating the phenomenon to the best of our abilities. We will update you when new information is available. In the meantime, stay inside your house, remain calm and prioritize your and your loved ones' safety. Do not follow unofficial advice or delirious strangers outside your house. Do not participate or spread riots, violence or general chaos. Stay tuned for updates.